The Powertac Cadet is the ultimate tactical and mission weapon light. It is compact yet powerful, mounts easily on a weapon, and fits nicely in your pocket. Its superior design, high-quality performance, and outstanding reliability makes this light the preferred choice of many professionals and EDC users. The Powertac Cadet LED flashlight features a Cree XPG R5 LED. The Cadet also features a high transparency optical lens. The Powertac Cadet features 300 lumens of brightness at the highest setting. On the medium setting, 150 lumens. On the lowest setting, 10 lumens. There's also a moonlight setting at 0.5 lumens. The Powertac Cadet will run at the highest mode for 60 minutes, medium mode for 130 minutes, low mode for 10 hours, and the moonlight mode for 100 hours. The Cadet is designed for quick access to the interface for general illumination and the strobe mode for tactical use and self-defense. It features auto memorization for all brightness levels. The Cadet features unique digital circuit control technology to maximize battery life and smooth light output. It also features the Type 3 anodized finish, as well as O-ring sealed to the IPX8 waterproof standard. The Cadet also features a pocket clip. Also supplied with the Cadet is a quality holster to fit belts of various sizes. Also available separately are the custom weapon mount and professional grade remote pressure switch. All Powertac products feature a lifetime warranty with no questions asked.